Okay, here's where the Amazon guy kind of shows up at about 5:40. Well, yeah, here he is. Okay. But anyway, I'm going to have to continue this on another camera so I can see where he came from and where he went back to. So, I mean, I don't really have a clue. And now he just kind of walks off, and I think he just took a picture of it right there. You know. Yeah. You see right here, I think he takes a picture of it right there and marks it as delivered and walks off. So that's what I'm saying. That's not delivered.